Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Delaware Grace, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spassuti Island, Delaware Grace, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the regional